PMOs, or Project Management Offices, are an important part of many organizations. They are responsible for the successful completion of projects by ensuring the proper resources are allocated and timelines are met. In this video, we'll explore the basics of PMOs, their roles and responsibilities, and how they can benefit your organization. First, it's important to understand the different types of PMOs. There are two main categories: strategic PMOs, which are responsible for long-term planning and strategy, and operational PMOs, which focus on the day-to-day operations of projects. Both types have their own unique roles and responsibilities. Strategic PMOs are responsible for setting the overall goals and objectives of the project and making sure that everything is working towards those goals. They are also responsible for providing guidance on resource allocation and ensuring that projects are completed on time and within budget. Operational PMOs are responsible for the day-to-day operations of the project, including scheduling, budgeting, and tracking progress. They are also responsible for ensuring the project is meeting its goals and objectives and for providing feedback to the team. Both types of PMOs are essential to the success of any project and can help ensure that projects are completed on time and within budget. Additionally, PMOs can help streamline processes and reduce costs, both of which can lead to a better overall outcome. In conclusion, PMOs are an important part of any organization and can help ensure the successful completion of projects. They can provide guidance, streamline processes, and help reduce costs, all of which can lead to a better outcome. Thank you for watching.